Hello friends, I'm happy to get you back to AK7DOLL. Doll, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
Equally good.
That's good.
Fine, address the audience.
So hey guys, my name is AK7DOLL TV and today we are going to be discussing tongue twisters.
Good. The tongue twister now we are going to say is, she wishes us a sweet Sunday.
Now I have to say it 10 times.
Try.
Yeah, I'll try. She wishes us a sweet Sunday. Okay. She wishes us a sweet Sunday. 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 She wishes us a sweet Sunday.
Okay, good. But there was a fumble. Can you do it once again?
I'll try.
Do it again, but a little slower, not
Okay.
so fast. Okay, fine.
Okay. She wishes us a sweet Sunday. 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 She wishes us a sweet Sunday.
Fantabulous.
Thank you.
Excellent. I myself can't say it. Okay, fine, good.
Thank you.
Shall we make a halt over here?
Let's make a halt over here.
Okay, address the audience.
Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed my tongue twister or Konjaneram English tongue twister since it was his idea. Subscribe to my channel and Konjaneram English's channel and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.